It is March 21st at 7:11 a.m. We are on the road for Mud Nationals. And I don't know if y'all can see the side-by-sides and the camper. Camper's right in front. But yeah, I ain't the only one on the road. Got a bunch of stuff back there. But yeah, 2018 Mud Nationals, here we go. It ought to be a interesting ride. It's my first time being the Mud Nationals. I've been to events, I've just never been to Mud Nationals, and I heard it's nuts. So, yep, go check it out. Thank you very much to the subscribers. We're almost to 500. When we hit 500, I'll go ahead and release the giveaway contest video, and we'll do a week, 7 days, and I'll do the drawing, and we'll go from there. So thank y'all very much. I appreciate the support. There we go. And there's already freaking people out there. Yeah.
Then the destination is on your right.
Oh my goodness.
700 feet. The destination is on your right. Mud Creek Off-Road Park.
Nothing 700 feet. Cause we there. Yamaha's tent. All kind of crap going on. Holy crap. Wow. That's where we camped last time, but that ain't happening. Holy shit. Cool waders. Okay. Do those come in men's sizes? Huh? Can-Am. There's Can-Am. I wonder if I break something and go to their tent, if they'll help me out. You know that shit ain't happening. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Polaris over there. Audio form. Whatever that is, Roxor off-road. Let's see where we're going. Why don't you kiss? Well, kiss this. And I don't mean on my view. We should be at the top of the hill, but we'll see. What are you doing, dude? Make up your mind. God dang. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Oh, CF Moto, look. They got a side-by-side. Get out of here. I didn't know that. Or is that a CF Moto? Yeah. Trying to get to the top of the hill, y'all. At least they got some food vendors and stuff up here. That's cool. Polaris's trailer is right over there. And we should be camping up here on top of the hill somewhere. Can-Am and Polaris and whatever that close, where you at? So much with all the sticks off, but